Science Europe organised its 16th high-level workshop on the European Research Area in November 2024, together with the Hungarian Research Network and the Hungarian Academy of Sciences, under the auspices of the Hungarian Presidency of the Council of the EU. Topic of discussion was the contribution of research and innovation to strengthening the cohesion and competitiveness of the European Union.
Our discussions come at a crucial time as we're strengthening the new European research area. Bridging the gaps is essential to ensuring that no region is left behind in our pursuit to scientific excellence. We must focus on closing disparities through targeted investments, enhanced researcher mobility, and stronger collaborative frameworks while safeguarding academic freedom and autonomy for all.
The workshop took place at a moment when the role of research and innovation in driving European competitiveness has been placed high on the EU policy agenda, ahead of crucial discussions in 2025 on the structure and levels of funding of the EU's next framework programme for research and innovation. Leaders from 29 national research funding and performing organisations, policymakers and researchers collaborated to identify actions to strengthen European competitiveness through research and innovation.
Our meeting today is a critically important meeting, I feel, because we can be the torch in Europe. We can show the way ahead. We have to make it clear that Europe should focus on its talents, should retain its talents, should recruit talents from all over the world, should have ideas, should have creativity, and should have academic freedom to support creativity and talented ideas. And we need a supportive environment, a cohesive European science area to achieve these goals.
Panel discussions focused on including widening the participation of EU member states in R&I activities, enhancing research impact through EU-wide scientific excellence, and addressing regional and national research disparities across Europe to improve its global competitiveness.
What we have now is a fragmented research and innovation system, feeding into a fragmented single market. Fixing one part or one link will not work. It'll not be sufficient. We have to do everything, everywhere, all at once. The research and innovation community has a vital role to play in securing Europe's future, but only as part of a broader process of reform.
Speakers also explored the transformative potential of artificial intelligence and the policies and infrastructures necessary to ensure its responsible use in the pursuit of scientific excellence.
We should invest in better education of AI, not only for training the next generations of engineers and programmers, but also creating new teams and investing in collaboration.
In the conclusions of the workshop, the following priorities were emphasized. Guarantee the freedom of scientific inquiry as a cornerstone of excellence and innovation. Ensure autonomy of scientific institutions, balanced with accountability to foster innovation. Attract and retain talent by improving researcher mobility and addressing disparities across Europe. Increase national and European R&I funding, targeting 3% of GDP to boost competitiveness. Promote cross-border collaboration to tackle global challenges effectively. Advance open science practices to make knowledge equitable and accessible. These goals provide a reference for EU member states to address structural barriers on the national and European levels. At the same time, Science Europe member organisations commit to implementing institutional reforms and adapting internal policies to contribute to the successful realisation of these priorities. Addressing structural and institutional challenges in a concerted way will strengthen Europe's research and innovation ecosystem and contribute to the continent's global competitiveness.
we as research funders or research performance have a responsibility, and the politics have responsibility as well. So if we can fulfill our responsibility, we can help and really shape the future.